everyone, and today I want to show you how you can caulk around the sink. As you see this gap, I will show you how you can caulk it and how you can use the caulking gun. So stay with me and I will show you. So the way you want to use the caulking gun, so in this particular one you have to hold this like that and just push it back. So this is going to be released and you can take this off. To put it back, you just put this back. So if you want to cut it, always this hole is good to put there and cut it. So you can cut this here. So, and if you want to make the hole here, so it's have this. You just stick it inside and it's gonna make the hole. So because I already made the hole, I'm just gonna use the old one I have. I'm just gonna put like that. And turn this down again. I'm sorry, I think turn this off. Okay, it's ready. Now, you just put this in the corner. And always make your hand there. Just put your hand. And clean with the napkin. So I have to put a little over there. There you go. We have a nice edge right now. So we stay for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, that's gonna be dry. Make sure subscribe to the channel, so I will show you how you can use the tools in this channel and also how you can fix the problem around your home. Thank you for watching and have a great day.